Hey guys, this is Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you a plugin called WP Empire Builder. Now, I have never used this plugin. From what I understand, what it does is it's like a complete CPanel and WordPress database right inside your personal website. So it's like a child theme, but it allows you to create a bunch of different websites within your website, and then it automatically adds them into your CPanel so you don't have to log in and take care of all the details in there. So I just loaded it up and I got a warning message that said you have to upgrade your site to the Empire version. So I haven't gone through it yet, so this is kind of an off-the-cuff review for this plugin, but bear with me. We're going to work our way through. We're going to see what it's all about, and you're going to decide whether or not this plugin is for you. From what I understand, it's a pretty cool plugin. If you can use it, I would highly recommend it already, even though we haven't gone through the review. So we're going to click this button here, upgrade your site to Empire version, and it says, all right, congratulations. Click here to manage your WordPress Empire. And we'll check this out so we can add in our CPanel username and our CPanel password. And then it says you only need to save these credentials once, and Empire Builder will remember them. You can change them whenever, and if you are in a host that doesn't have a cPanel, you have to read this now, because if you don't have a cPanel login, this plugin will not work for you. I'm not going to enter in mine right now. If I have to, we'll come back and do that. So I'm going to add new site. So you're creating new directories and subdirectories. So let's try this. Empire test, Empire Builder test. Site description, test of Empire Builder. All right. Oh, look at, you could also import some content from an existing website. So I'm not sure if that has to be connected with already built in here, like if you already have it on your site and you want to clone it, or if you can actually import this. Look at this, you can import it from another website. Okay, with the username and password for the WordPress login. So you could import this from, you can't import it from Amazon, but you could import it from another website that you have admin login details to. For now, let's just hit create site and see what this does. All right, Empire Builder test has been created. You can visit the dashboard, edit the new site. Let's check out the dashboard. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard. It says Empire Builder test, visit site, edit site. We've got our plugins. It says we have one post, one comment, 2017. Now look at here. We got my site's network admin dashboard. Sell web domains. That's my main website, Empire Builder test. So basically you're creating a bunch of different websites. Let's see what this one looks like. Obviously it'll be a default nothing on there, but we'll check it out. Empire Builder test, hello world. Okay, so this is a pretty sweet plugin. Basically what it allows you to do is create an entirely new website within your existing website. So if we add a new post to our test, let's see what the permalink will be. So let's see, we're going to call this one WP Emp Build Test 1. Goofy name for a post, but that's all right. We'll know exactly what it is. All right, so there. We're going to change the permalink settings to get rid of the date. Custom structure, post name, custom structure. Okay, save changes. Now let's go to posts and let's view this thing and let's see if it has sellwebdomains.com, Empire test, and then our post name. Okay, so this is basically an extended website of your existing domain name. That's this version. Now there was another spot for subdomains, so let's check that out. We'll go back to the regular network admin dashboard. You have two sites and one user. Let's create a new site. New domain. Let's see what this is. So we're going to do this one as new domain.com. Site title, let's call it new domain. And this is a new test domain. Alright, so now we'll hit create site. Let's check out and see what happens. Alright, new domain has been created. Let's click on this. Okay, as I suspected. So you must own the domain name in order for it to be created, because I don't own this newdomains.com. But let's see if we can edit the new site. My sites, new domain, dashboard. There we go. Now look at this. Site's domain was not mapped because you did not provide cPanel credentials. So had I added the cPanel credentials, this entire newdomains.com site would have been added to my CPanel in a folder and subfolder as a subdomain, and probably a WordPress install. All my plugin files, theme files, everything would be created in my CPanel. So this is such a cool plugin. I mean, the potential, we're just breaking the surface. This is so neat. Let's check out this post and let's see where it brings us. It looks like if we hit view/newdomains.com. Okay. So basically what this means is if you want to do a new domain, you can direct your website to this place, and that would probably happen automatically through the CPanel credentials being entered in, and then your website will direct and you can build it all right here. So this plugin allows you to control every single one of your websites on one website. Let's say you manage a bunch of client sites and they give you your WordPress login. You can import their site right here, source site. You can put in their domain name right here. You can put in their site title and description, add their source site and their current username and password, and import all of their WordPress details into this one location. Then you would be hosting it for them. It would be on your cPanel though. But if you have client sites, you could have everything and you could control it from one master site and have all of their content right here. Basically, from what I understand of this plugin, and if you have any insights or if you use this plugin, put something down in the comments below, because this plugin is so neat. It has piqued my curiosity. I right now recommend you try this plugin if you manage multiple websites. Try it out, use it, put some feedback in the comments below. Let's get some discussion going and see how cool this thing can be. Pick the plugin up in the description below. I'll have a link down there for you. And feel free to subscribe to this channel, share the video with other people. So the bottom line, this is a neat plugin and I think it's worth trying.